Do not listen to this recording while driving or operating machinery. Only listen when you can safely relax and bring your full awareness to your own complete comfort. As you settle into your bedtime comfort, give yourself full permission to listen deeply to this guided sleep meditation and hypnosis experience. Together, we'll gently awaken your inner light of self-love, confidence, and unshakable self-esteem. Let your mind and body sink into deep rest, where healing begins. Begin by taking a slow, deep breath in, filling your lungs with calm, and exhale fully, releasing any tension. Again, breathe in relaxation, and breathe out doubt, worry, or stress. Let each breath ground you deeper into this moment. With every exhale, imagine your body softening, your mind quieting, and your heart opening to receive kindness. Now, picture a serene garden within your mind, a sacred space where you feel utterly safe and cherished. Perhaps it's a moonlit meadow, a quiet beach, or a hidden grove of ancient trees. Here, the air is warm, the ground cradles you, and every sound whispers you belong. Sit or lie down in this sanctuary, knowing you are welcome here, always. Feel your body melt into the earth beneath you. Shoulders sinking, jaw loosening, eyelids gently heavy. Imagine roots extending from your body into the soil. Instability. With every breath, these roots draw up nourishment, strength, patience, and compassion, filling every cell of your being. In this garden, notice a soft glow radiating from your heart, a light that represents your innate worth. Watch as it grows brighter with each breath. Warming your chest, this light is your unshakable self-love. Always present even when hidden. Around you, flowers bloom in vibrant colors, each symbolizing a quality you possess: courage, creativity, resilience. Breathe in their fragrance, absorbing their gifts. Ahead, you see a pool of crystal clear water. Gaze into it and see your reflection, not as you are now, but as your most confident self. Notice their posture, their smile, their calm energy. Step closer and feel their confidence merge with yours. Hear them whisper, "You are enough. You always have been." Let these words echo in your heart. Now ask this future self, what do I need to release to fully embrace my worth? Listen quietly. Perhaps a word, memory, or sensation arises. Whatever it is, place it in a bubble and watch it float away into the sky, dissolving into stardust. You no longer need to carry it. Repeat softly in your mind, I release what no longer serves me. I am worthy of love. I trust my strength. I honor my voice. I release what no longer serves me. I am worthy of love. I trust my strength. I honor my voice. I release what no longer serves me. I am worthy of love. I trust my strength. I honor my voice. I release what no longer serves me. I am worthy of love. I trust my strength. I honor my voice. I release what no longer serves me. I am worthy of love. I trust my strength. I honor my voice. Let these truths sink into your bones, becoming part of you. Your future self now hands you a gift, a small object symbolizing your confidence. It might be a key, a stone, or a flower. Hold it tightly. Feel its energy surge through you. A reminder that you already hold everything you need. Place it over your heart, where it glows warmly, sealing this promise within. Breathe in deeply. Imagining golden light flooding your body. Healing old wounds, soothing insecurities. Exhale. Releasing shadows of self-doubt. With every cycle you grow lighter, brighter, more whole. Your mind and body sink to this rhythm, dissolving into peace. Bring gentle attention to your forehead. Release tension there. Now your cheeks, neck, shoulders. Let warmth spread down your arms. Fingertips, chest, belly, hips, legs, feet. Each area softening, supported by the earth. You are safe. You are held. Visualize yourself as a mighty tree. Roots deep, branches reaching skyward. Storms may come, but you bend without breaking. Your roots hold firm. Feel this resilience in your core. Whisper, I am grounded. I grow through every challenge that I am grounded. I grow through every challenge I am grounded. I grow through every challenge. Before you now, a shimmering portal appears. A gateway to your highest potential. Step through it, feeling a wave of warmth envelop you. On the other side, you're surrounded by mirrors reflecting every version of you, past, present, and future. Each mirror whispers, you are evolving, you are free. You are evolving, you are free, you are evolving. You are free, breathe in this truth, letting it dissolve old limitations. Above, a constellation forms a cluster of stars representing your inner power. One star glows brighter, drifting down to hover before you. Reach out and cradle it in your hands. Feel its radiant energy seep into your palms, traveling up your arms, filling your heart. This is your unshakable confidence, pure, eternal, yours. Let it ignite every corner of your being. Silently repeat, I am worthy, am strong, am enough, I am worthy, am strong, am enough, I am worthy, am strong, am enough, I am worthy, am strong, am enough. With each repetition, the star grows brighter, its light dissolving shadows of self-doubt. Your mind absorbs these words like a mantra, weaving them into your subconscious. They become your truth, your compass, your foundation. Nearby, a waterfall cascades into a pool of liquid light. Step into its flow. Feel the water cleanse your mind, washing away old fears, criticisms, and wounds. As it flows over you, it leaves behind only clarity and peace. Submerge yourself fully, emerging renewed, radiant, whole, and deeply loved. Lie back now on a bed of soft moss. The earth beneath you hums with a healing frequency, syncing with your heartbeat. Feel this vibration travel up your spine, aligning every chakra. Your crown glows with wisdom, your throat radiates truth, your heart pulses with love. You are balanced, you are harmony, you are home. Place a hand over your heart and whisper, "Thank you." Thank your body for its resilience, your mind for its courage, your spirit for its light. Gratitude amplifies your healing, turning every cell into a vessel of self-love. Breathe in this gratitude. Exhale deeper surrender. Notice gentle figures surrounding you, guides, angels, or ancestral spirits. They place their hands over you, channeling unconditional love. Hear their message. You are never alone. You are eternally supported. 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 Let their energy wrap you in a cocoon of safety, preparing you for profound rest. Your sanctuary gently fades as you drift upward, cradled by the night sky. Stars twinkle around you, each one a promise of your infinite potential. The moon whispers, "Rest now. Tomorrow you rise anew." Feel yourself dissolving into the cosmos, weightless, boundless, free. Every breath now carries you deeper, 10 times deeper, into serene, velvety darkness. Here, your subconscious mind rewrites old stories, replacing them with empowerment. Your body repairs, your soul rejuvenates, your confidence roots itself unshakably. You are becoming, you are transforming, you are healed. a final mirror appears, reflecting your purest essence, a being of light, love, and limitless worth. Step into this reflection, merging with it completely. This is who you are. This is who you've always been. No effort, no striving, only being. Let this truth cradle you into sleep. Now release all words and images. Surrender to the silence, the stillness, the sacredness of your own being. You've done the work. You are safe. You are loved. You are enough. Let every dream tonight be a celebration of you. Good night, dear one. Sleep deeply, heal profoundly, and awaken renewed.